Hello everyone, my name is Kibransa Agung Kusuma, student ID 23015002. In this video, I'm going to explain the topic of complex sentence with adverb clause and adjective clause. Use the provided learning material. I will explain each definition clearly and give example for better understanding. So let's begin. First, let's talk about adverb clause. An adverb clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adverb. It cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. Its job is to modify a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. An adverb clause always begin with subordinating connection with which connect it to the main clause and explain details such as time, reason, contrast, condition, purpose, or place. Example of the details include when something happens, why it happened, or under what condition it happened. And select subordinate conjunction time and sequence. Now let's look at some subordinating conjunction relate to time and sequence. One, after, show that the action of the main clause happens later. For example, after I finished my work, I took a rest. Once and as soon as indicate that something happens immediately after another action. For example, as soon as the class ended, we left the room. When refers to a specific time, for example, when the rain starts, we usually stay inside. And whenever mean anytime or every time. For example, whenever I feel stressed, I listen to music. The conjunction help us understand the timing and order or event. Okay, next, subordinating conjunction, cause, contrast, and condition. Next, we have subordinating conjunction that show cause, contrast, and condition. When versus by the time. When is for the moment something happens. By the time indicates that something is already complete before another action. For example, by the time I arrived, the movie had already started. Because show a reason. For example, I stayed home because I was sick. And then now that, so a new situation that makes something possible now. For example, now that I have a laptop, I can study more easily. Next, even talk. Express a true fact that contrasts with the main clause. For example, even though it was cold when jogging. And next, even if express a hypothetical or imaginary situation. For example, I will support you even if you fail. These conjunction are very important for expressing relationship between ideas. And then next, part B, adjective clause. Okay, now let me move to adjective clause. An adjective clause, also known as a relative clause, is a dependent clause. The function like an adjective. It describes or modifies a noun or noun by giving more information about it. Just like adverb clause, adjective clause cannot stand alone as complete tense. Adjective clause begin with relative pronoun such as who, whom, whose, which, that, or relative adverbs such as where, when, and why. Next, here are the most common relative pronouns. First, who, used for people as the subject of the clause. For example, the girl who won the competition is my friend. And whom, used for people as the object. For example, the teacher whom you met yesterday is very kind. Next, which, used for animals or thing. For example, the book which I borrowed is very interesting. Next, that, used for essential information for people or things. Example, the phone that I use every day is very fast. Whose, show position. Example, I know the boy whose brother is famous. The pronouns help connect to clause to the noun being described. And relative adverb also introduce adjective clause. Where refers to a place. For example, this is the cave where we meet for the first time. Next, when refers to time. For example, I remember the day when we graduate. And next, why refers to a reason. For example, that is the reason why I left early. Each of these adverbs add clarity and detail to sentence. Next, let's discuss essential and non-essential adjective clause. An essential clause gives information that is necessary to identify the noun. Without it, the meaning of the sentence will change. These clauses do not use comment. For example, students who study hard often get good grades. And a non-essential clause provides extra information that is not necessary to identify the noun. The sentence still makes sense without it. This clause use comment. For example, my brother who live in Jakarta is visit me today. Understanding whatever a clause is essential help us use correct punctuation. And yeah, to conclude, adverb clause and adjective clause are important part of complex sentence. Adverb clause describe how, when, why, or under what conditions something happen, while adjective clause describe noun and provide essential or additional information. Thank you for watching my explanation. I hope this help you understand the material.